Hey everybody, welcome back. I hope you are all doing well. This video will be about class inheritance. You might come across inheritance when working with Python. What it means is that a base or parent class can be scaffold for another child class. It helps when trying to have many methods and many basic behavior to avoid boilerplate code. It is useful when you need to create many classes that share the same behavior. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to create a base class for anime. And we should call the class called anime, name it anime. And we define the eat of self.food equals to self.food minus self.appetite. Appetite. And let's print it out using the upstream f8 serve the appetite of food and have serve the food left. Okay, so this is a base class. So since there is a base class, we also need to create child class for other anime like Pokemon and Digimon. That's Pokemon. And we inherit the anime class. And we define the init or constructor. I would say self.food with 100, self.appetite equals to 1, and class Digimon and anyway. Oh, sorry, I haven't written completely yet and run the code. That's why it gives an incomplete input error. So let's continue. Self.food, let's say 400, self.appetite just equal to 7. Okay, so for now, we'll create the Pokemon and Digimon, and assign the Pokemon to the Pikachu and Digimon to Greymon. And okay. So next, we are going to call the eat method, which is from anime. So Pikachu the eat, and then we will have this one. And Greymon the eat, we will get this one. So another thing to see is that when we want to demonstrate how other classes have methods that automatically appear, we should write the code like this one. Attribute in dir of, let's say Pokemon Pikachu or Greymon, let's say Greymon. If attribute dot starts with continue with attribute. So we will get appetite, food, and eat. You don't need to trust me, but you need to trust the code and its output. Be that EM food. Okay, yes, that's for today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So see you next time. Bye bye.